Do haunt cancellations have you feeling bummed out? Does all this free time have you feeling empty inside? Are your days filled with too much sunlight and not enough fog? Well, have we got the thing for you? Pizza fries at home!
And we're gonna show you how to make them. Hello and welcome back to the Haunt Line. Today we've got a very special episode for you because joining us on our episode is not only my partner in crime, but my partner in haunts, and we're gonna make some pizza fries. So we're a little bummed out that things got canceled, obviously, but we decided, hey, why not? We're gonna teach you guys how to make pizza fries today. You ready?
I'm so ready.
Let's do this.
Boom.
All right, so what are the ingredients that we're gonna need?
First and foremost, obviously, we're gonna need some fries. So
Yes.
frozen crinkle cut fries is what we went with. Then we're obviously gonna need some marinara sauce or pasta sauce. And then we used a blend of cheeses.
Because we fancy.
Yeah, obviously. Also, we're gonna have pepperoni.
Yes.
Gotta have the pep. And then we also have some hot turkey sausage.
All right, so what else are we gonna need for this little endeavor?
Okay, so you're also going to need a cookie sheet to cook your fries,
Yes.
a small frying pan if you're using raw sausage to cook your sausage. You're also gonna need Pam to prevent your pizza fries and your regular fries from sticking.
Very important.
Definitely. And a pie pan to layer your pizza fries. And then you'll also need, obviously, an oven.
That's gonna come in handy.
Very important.
All right, so now walk us through the process of making the pizza fries.
Okay, first and foremost, we want to get the oven preheated. Follow the package instructions of the fries. Ours were to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. So you're going to take your cookie sheet, mist that with the Pam or cooking oil, and then lay out a layer of the frozen fries.
Now you want these to be pretty flat, right?
You do want these to be flat. You want every single fry to have contact with the pan. You don't want them to be on top of each other because that will make them mushy.
Gotcha.
And then, again, you want to cook according to package instructions. In this case, they recommend 11 to 19 minutes. I believe we did about 22. We wanted ours to be extra crispy so that they didn't get soggy from the marinara and the cheese. While those are cooking in the oven, we went ahead and pre-cooked our sausage. You want to make sure that whatever ingredients you use, if you're using meats, they need to be pre-cooked before you put them onto your fries.
Very important.
Yes, so that you have even cooking times and then you don't have to worry about giving you or anyone else food poisoning.
Not a good time.
That's not the kind of scary good time we want to have. Once your fries are done, go ahead and pull them out of the oven and set them aside to cool just a little bit. Now is also a good time to season your fries. Then, my pro tip is you want to layer your ingredients. So we'll start with a layer of fries, followed by a layer of marinara or pasta sauce, then a layer of cheese, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our pepperoni, followed by the sausage. Again, the secret here is we're gonna do another layer.
Believe me, it's worth it, y'all.
So again, fries, marinara sauce, cheese, and then your toppings, pepperoni, sausage, and extra cheese, and then back into the oven.
All right, now we just sit and wait until the goodness happens, and then
we're gonna remove them from the oven. Now you do wanna let them cool at least just a little bit so you don't give yourself pizza mouth. Nobody wants that.
and voila, pizza fries are done. Look at these things. Oh, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And now it's the moment of truth. Let's dig in.
All right.
Cheers. Oh, man.
Ooh, that's a double pep. This is not even gonna fit in my mouth.
That's very good. That is very good. Very cheesy. Oh my God, look at all this cheese.
Dare I say, butter? I know, I don't want to be a blasphemer. I don't want to blaspheme the pizza fries in Florida. But something about not waiting in a line to get them
Good point. Excellent point.
Adds to the experience.
Absolutely. All right, so the question of the day. What are you going to miss the most about Horror Nights?
The most, Hollywood or Orlando?
Orlando.
Getting to travel to Orlando, obviously, that's
Yeah.
always like a fun trip for us every year.
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna miss like the whole experience of traveling there, but the mazes, obviously.
Yes.
The mazes are so good.
Yes. Absolutely.
I'm gonna miss them.
I agree. Mazes definitely for me. The design out there is incredible. The scale of the mazes, I love them. I think though, what I'm gonna miss the most is being able to watch the Lagoon show.
Oh yeah.
Marathon of Mayhem last year was incredible.
That was a great addition.
Honestly, yeah, that was so Halloween. You know what I mean?
It was. It was so perfectly put together.
Yes.
It was such a great overview.
Yes.
Of all of the great things about Halloween and the movies, the IPs that were included.
Absolutely, yeah. So I'm definitely gonna miss those. And well, we're gonna scarf these down. I'm not gonna make you watch that, so don't worry. But don't forget, you can follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at The Hauntline. You can visit us on the web, www.thehauntline.com. And also don't forget to check out our podcast. We've got a couple episodes together that are a lot of fun. We talk LA Haunted Hayride. We talk the It Chapter 2 experience.
Yep.
Where we visit Derry. That was fun. And well, thank you for joining us today. This was a blast.
Glad I could join you for some delicious pizza fries.
Yes. All right. We're going to scarf these down. Look away.